It's time for Munchie Faces! Yay! Well, we have a special episode today. I mean, every episode is special.
Yeah.
We went to an Indian grocery store.
And we can buy food again.
I think we bought more food this time than the last time.
We got chocolate and everything.
So as it turns out, it is a holiday called Rakhi. It's a festival where brothers and sisters honor each other. They had these cool looking bracelets. The lady at the checkout told us sisters put the bracelets on their brothers' arms and their brothers give their sisters gifts.
And presents.
Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that great? So you have a brother.
Yeah.
So are you going to tie that to your brother's wrist?
I don't know how.
Maybe I'll help you. We have some special bonus footage because in our town last week, they had a very cool Indian festival.
The Indian Festival, celebrating the day that India gained its independence from the UK. There were costumes, dancing, music. The obligatory bounce house, and a spectacular parade. There were lots of people who came out to enjoy a great cultural festival. And hold on, did you notice something? American flags, lots of them. It was then that I shed a tear of pride.
Do you want to know why Mommy cried?
Because you just hate the noise.
No, we saw people with their Indian flags and with their American flags, and they seemed so proud of both their adopted homeland and their native homeland. And I think that is what America's all about. And it just made me feel so proud and happy. So it was wonderful.
That made me happy too.
Anyway, we had a great time, and it was a wonderful way to learn about Indian culture before we headed to the store. What can we expect from Indian food? Let's take a look at the map. Katie and I are here, and India is all the way over here. By plane, it would take 14 hours to get there. It's easy to assume that one nation would serve up the food you typically get in an Indian restaurant, but the different regions of this diverse country create a wide variety of foods. In the north, you're likely to find food cooked in a tandoor, a traditional clay oven. That's how tandoori chicken is made. So delicious. Samosas are also from here, and in fact, you'll see us try samosas in just a few minutes. The west of this country is coastal, so no surprise here that you'll find a lot of fish dishes. Coconuts are also prevalent and appear in a lot of foods. Vindaloo is a type of food prevalent in the west, and we'll try some of that later on as well. The east is known for its fruits and desserts. Cuisine here tends to be less spicy than in other regions, which makes a nice distinction between it and the south. When you think of Indian food, you might think of curry, which is what some people say to talk about all Indian food. But in India, it is meant to refer to a dish with a saucy texture. We've tried a few saucy dishes today. We found our local Indian food store, and quick check of the kit. Please notice our matching tote bags, thank you. And we were off. It was sure to be filled with lots of things we'd never heard of, and that makes for the best shopping.
Oh, that's very, very spicy, and if I were you, I would believe it. I mean, they're even saying hot, hot. My level of hot, hot is much lower than an Indian person's level of hot, hot.
I don't like hot, hot.
Yeah, we should probably avoid very spicy stuff. What is that? Oh my goodness, it's noodles, but it's Indian noodles.
Indian noodles?
We should try noodles. We love noodles.
We love spaghetti.
Well, spaghetti is kind of like noodles. What else? Oh, look at this little stuff. Look.
I want to see those yellow poops.
They're not poops, but let's try it.
But they look kind of...
I mean, they do look like the poop emoji.
And they look like emojis.
Roti. We should bring home some roti. It's like bread. Well, we already have noodles, babe.
No, I said these are old noodles for elephants.
All right, let's bring it home. Which one should we try? The white one? Okay, so let's do this. Let's try a white one and an orange one. How does that sound?
I love white ones.
We can try both. That's hot. Yes, it's spicy. Oh god, there's one that's extra hot. How do people tolerate eating so much spicy food?
That's hot spicy food.
Oh, let's look over here. Lamb vindaloo. Ooh, chicken tikka masala, chicken biryani. Oh yeah, we've hit the jackpot over here. Jackfruit chips.
That's a bit too spicy.
It's not spicy. It's sweet. Oh, well, I'd imagine jackfruit is sweet, I assume, because I've never eaten jackfruit, but it's called fruit, so it must be sweet. You want to try it?
They look like bananas.
Let's give it a try.
Okay.
Look! What?
These.
What are those? Put it in the basket. Let's give it a try.
Okay. These hot cookies.
All right, put them in the basket. Look at these cookies.
They look like syrup. Ew.
It's not syrup, that's chocolate. Samosa.
Samosa.
You want to try samosa?
Look.
Look at how much stuff we have in the basket. Do you think we should buy all these things and go home and taste them?
Maybe we can get some more.
Okay, maybe one or two more things.
Maybe we
Paneer makhani? That sounds amazing. And look, there's lychee. Remember in our last episode we tried lychee?
Yeah, lychee.
Do you want to try a lychee drink?
No,
Yes.
I don't want lychee drink.
Oh, and there's guava too. Okay, let's try guava. Okay, this basket is way too full. We need to go check out now so we can... Okay, we are in the kitchen and we are ready to start cooking. But it's going to be nice and easy because I tended to buy a lot of frozen stuff this time.
And
And
a lot of hot stuff.
some hot stuff. But I think I know my limits. And I've seen what it takes to cook Indian food. And it's a painstaking process. And it takes a lot of knowledge. And I have neither time nor knowledge.
Yeah, it's a bit hard to cook.
It is hard, but we've got lots of great stuff to help us have a pretty authentic Indian experience. I think the supermarket was really cool. So let's see what we got. This is roti. It's used with the meal. So you put it on the side of your meal like
bread.
Yes, exactly. Katie's very excited about these noodles because I think first of all you both love noodles, right?
I love spaghetti.
Noodles and spaghetti, so 6 of 1. So anyway, oh, these are a little spicy. We tried to avoid spicy food, but we'll give it a try. We're having an authentic experience, and sometimes that means spicy food. Okay, so we got these spice packets, and we've got these little bricks of noodles. So we gotta boil some water, and we'll put the spice packet in.
That's what I said.
Yeah. So now we have chicken biryani. Ooh, look at those onions. I didn't expect such realness in frozen food.
Don't put your finger.
Oh wow, do you smell that? Okay, we've got samosas. Oh, so they're actually telling us to fry these for 2 to 3 minutes. So you know what? We're throwing them in the fryer. Alright, we've got chicken tikka masala next. And this one's another heat and eat.
And spicy.
It might be a little bit spicy, but let's try it. I mean, you never know. Maybe you like spicy food. You've had some spicy food before.
Okay, so there is absolutely nothing exciting about microwaving a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to speed this bit up. However, check out that delicious board we've assembled. This was a nice tasting menu, and of course, it wouldn't be us if we didn't get a bunch of yummy snacks, drinks, and desserts to try along with them. Let's get to the tasting.
Yes, it is. We've got a lot of food. Okay, so this is the one that you wanted to try, right?
Yeah.
Smell.
Mmm.
Oh, it's really sweet.
Like creamy?
Yeah, kind of like cream. You want to try it? Oh my god, this is so good. Try this one.
Okay.
So while you're trying that, I'm gonna open these juices too. Ooh, this was the lychee. Turns out they have lychee juice in
Ooh,
India.
this smells like strawberries too.
So I guess that means it's good, right? As I understand it, having something like lassi is handy because when you eat spicy food, it helps to take the spice off of your tongue. Oh, that's really good.
It's quite nice.
And that is really good. Do you want to try lychee too? What do you think?
I kind of like it.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so let's start.
Try many things.
I agree. What do you want to try next? Ah, yes, this is called samosa.
Samosa?
Yeah. Oh, it's crunchy.
These are a bit too crunchy.
You're too crunchy? It doesn't seem to be stopping you from eating it. And it's got vegetables inside and chickpeas. I feel like it has a little bit of spice, but it's not like spicy.
That's a little spicy in my tongue.
Yeah, have some lassi. All right, so next we have these, they call them graham noodles. I'm not sure what graham noodles are, but they're a little bit crunchy. And they have kind of savory flavor. That's pretty good stuff, right? I guess that's a yes. Okay, let's try the next one.
Delicious.
This is another snack.
These are a bit crunchy too.
I like the texture of these. It's very fine. It's nice. I could snack on that for a while.
The chocolate bits.
It says bourbon on it, but I'm pretty sure that's just the brand. That's a good cookie.
I want to eat this.
Yeah, you can eat that.
I want to eat it all.
So this is chicken biryani. It's got rice and onions and chicken, of course. I'm gonna try this, and if it's spicy, I'll tell you. To me, this is not spicy.
Huh?
Not spicy. It has a lot of flavors, though. Oh, it's getting a little spicy.
Maybe you could close your tongue with a bit of milk.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. So we've got the chicken tikka masala, and of course we made a gigantic bowl of basmati rice. Try this rice. It's really flavorful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mommy will now try the chicken tikka masala. This is not spicy at all. Kind of like,
Flavors.
it's got a lot of flavor. What do you think?
It's a little spicy right now.
Do you think so? I don't think it's spicy at all. Why don't we try these orange cookies?
They look quite sweet.
So these cookies, as it turns out, are made with pistachio. Ooh, they were softer than I thought they were gonna be. It's kind of like cake.
Like fruit cake.
Very good, very good. This is like an Oreo. Have you ever had an Oreo cookie?
Oreo.
Yeah, it's basically just like this. It's got the chocolate cookies and then cream on the inside.
Ooh, it got a bit of milk and cheese on it.
No, that's cream. I'd like to point out something. She has opened the cookie and she's licking the cream out from the inside. She's never had an Oreo before, but that came to her like some sort of 21st century evolutionary instinct. These are jackfruit chips. It was extremely crunchy. And it's a little salty. I wasn't expecting that. What do you think of that?
It's quite good.
Good! Noodles. I'm gonna try it to make sure it's not spicy first.
Is it quite hot?
It's a little bit spicy, but not terribly spicy. Thank you. It is good though. I do love noodles. It is spicy though.
I love this one.
That's called roti, and it's like a flatbread. And I'm gonna take a piece and enjoy it with some of this paneer makhani. Oh, that is really good, but my God, this is spicy. Holy crow.
Is it a bit too hard?
Yeah, that's spicy. Woo! Thank you, thank you. That was very helpful. Oh my God, I need the milk. Oh, it's coming back. We've got one more dish to try here. Lamb vindaloo, and it is definitely going to be spicy. I could tell when I was cooking it.
I don't stay away from this.
I am going to try it. Okay, I'm still dealing with the spice from the paneer.
Maybe you can blow it out more.
Okay. All right, I think I'm ready. Last one. This wasn't as spicy as the other one. Come back, it's not that bad.
It is a bit spicy.
Oh, it's very spicy. I'm gonna stop now. Where's the milk?
Right there. You can blow it out some more if you want to. Blow it harder. Harder. Harder.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we've tried everything on the table now.
But I love to try some more of this.
The roti, have as much as you want. Aside from the fact that it's really spicy, it's really good. I loved everything that we tried. I'm starting to come down from the spice. Woo! Indian folks, I don't know how you do it. Unless you practice all day, every day. Maybe you do. If you eat this stuff every day, you could probably handle a lot of heat. I cannot. Katie can't. Thanks for watching this episode with us. We had a great time making it, and we hope you enjoyed watching it.
But I miss you very much.
We miss you when we're not in front of your faces. So make sure that you click on the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram so that you can always keep up with the latest news.
Press the button and you can learn at YouTube too.
You heard the girl. Press that button.
Bye-bye.
Bye!